So you just clicked on this video here, and I'm explaining to you how to use these two links right here together. First of all, rather than writing notes on paper today, I'm going to have you click here and go to this Google Doc. And what you're going to have to do is download this Google Doc, and you have to know all the parts of this human eye that are in yellow. So down here, you're going to either type or copy and paste definitions from the interactive that I'm about to show you in just a second. So that goes with that. Down here, there's also 4 common vision problems you're going to be learning about. So you want to write down the cause, what symptoms are produced, and how these vision issues are fixed. It's again something that you can copy and paste. So hopefully this won't take too long. Rather than trying to write all this and draw this picture of the eye, I thought it would be more helpful for you to use this Google Doc today. So to fill this Google Doc out, you click on this link right here, and this takes you to this interactive learning tool. This top thing just shows you what you are looking at. So your view right now is normal. The normal one you can look at either close up or wide, which just backs it out. The way that you get the definitions for each of these terms down here are these little checkpoints. If you click on them, these blue dots pop up, and then you select a dot and it gives you a term and a definition. Conjunctiva is an example of something that you don't need to know, so you can skip right past that one. There's some extras that you don't need to know. So the first one is cornea. So this is the easy way to do it. You just copy, go back to cornea, and paste. Okay, there you go. Now the next one is right here, and you just keep going straight through these, and then when you're done with that part, click on the next little checkpoint and it'll take you to the next set of terms. Okay, so that's how you do these definitions right here. Okay, so when you get ready to learn about the common vision problems, you've got nearsighted, farsighted, astigmatism, and presbyopia. There's 2 ways to view this. You can click on the video and that will play right here. Okay. What I recommend is clicking on the diagram because it shows you normal, nearsighted, corrected, and then you can also go back and look at the video at the end. The reason I recommend this is because it gives you text that you can copy and paste for your notes. So this part describes the problem with the lens. When you're nearsighted, the shape of the eye is too long, and so this thing right here, this intersection point, is the focal point of the image. So it says the shape of the eye is too long from front to back. So that's what you can type in right here for nearsighted. And then it'll talk about some symptoms, what happens, and how it's fixed is with a corrective lens here. Click on the blue dot and it'll give you more description of that. So it gives you correction by pushing the focal point from in front of the retina back onto the retina. And then you can go on to the diagram for farsighted, astigmatism, and presbyopia. Okay, so all of that can be used to fill out this last slide. That's how you do the notes. This is the learning part.